What is up guys, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video we have this beautiful Lexus RX 350 that we have right in front of us here. Now before we get right to the details, let us take a walk around to show you how beautiful this car looks. The color of this car is in Sonic Quartz. So as you can see, this Lexus RX model has three different models to choose, right? But this is the RX 350 all-wheel drive. Now let's head down to the front and start taking a look at how this car physically looks. Now let's start off with the lights. Now I love how angular these lights look, very sharp, very nice. You got your turn indicators hidden right there. You also got your daytime running lights together with your flashing high beam lights are also there as well. Now check out the front bumper that we have, right? You get these amazing two-tone finish, how it blends in from the body. Straight away it just opens up to a different color. Amazing look, very aggressive from the front. As you can see, the Lexus badging is also in this glass-like design. Beautiful, number plate goes right there. You got some openings for your front bumper that looks very sporty indeed, over here and also here. So beautiful looking design. Now the front hood has this amazing cut right here on the top, but it looks very sleek and beautiful as well. Now let's take a look at this wheel that we have right here. Now these are Dunlop tires that they're using, but let us highlight the tire size, which is 235/50 R21. Now the wheels on this, they look absolutely nice. It's like this gunmetal finish, multi-spoke wheels. I personally love it. Love how the wheel arch is also in white, makes it look very sporty as well. Now you've got your side mirrors that are located right here with some chrome finish on the mirror, including the side of the door. If you notice, it goes all over the car, right, with the chrome finish. Now these are your mirrors, turn indicators. This is how they look like. Blind spot assist. You also get the bottom door piece in black, matte black, that matches also the front that we have right here. As you can see, right, there's another lip here, but it's in a matte black. So amazing looking design for this. Now let's check out the door handles. Once again, there's no pulling, there's just a button, and then you just pull it open. Let's check out the side here. Amazing finish of the interior, the finishing. Speakers are located down here, not up here. And you got your opening of the doors, closing, memory seats set like that, window adjustments, handle, button to press to open up the doors, compartment storage right here. Beautiful finish of the door. Now check out the interior. You got some amazing seats that we have right here. The design is cool. If you were to be here, you can feel it in person. You got some leather finish here, you got some suede finish here, so totally different feeling when you are here in person. So let's take a look. Side seals also, you get it in this Lexus wording, the metal plate, no lighting. Lexus wording at the carpet, comfortably sitting right here. You got some two-tone finish happening. Ambient lighting located right there, stops right in the center. Beautiful. Okay, fan adjustments here. You got your screen to turn on. But yeah, let's take a look at the center right here. You have your hazard lights. You got your other controls for your climate here, volume, turning off and turning on. You got your front for your to block away the cold thing that's fogging up your glass. Open that up. Compartment storage up here, storage down here. Type-C charging together with your USB-C, NFC. Compartment storage located down here as well. Now you get your, again, Type-C. Push again, closes that, very clean. Your gear knobs are here. We'll get to the driver's seat in a while more, but two cup holders you can keep. Open up from this side, kind of cool. Open up from that side, also amazing. Amazing layout. Let's cancel that, go back to home. Yeah, cool. So before that, this is how comfortably I'm sitting in the front passenger seat. Now let's move to the rear. Black seat belts are also given. Cool. So let's move to the rear side. What you'll notice is that there is this folding and putting up of the seats electronically at the seat, right? So it's kind of cool. We can do that at the boot, or we can do that here as well, which we will do in a while more. Now, in a while, let's take a look at the doors. Speakers are located up here. You got your lock unlock over here, window adjustments, handle, electronic buttons, compartment storage. Finishing is a bit different, two-tone here. You got some shade for you to hook on, so it blocks out the heat, blocks out the sun. Kind of nice, very nice. So let's have a seat on the inside right here. Now this is me sitting comfortably without me adjusting the front seats. Now there's plenty of room, so much of room. It's comfortable, high up. I don't feel congested. I feel comfortable. So seat belts are also in black. Nice. This is me moving to the center right now, and as you can see, it's comfortably sitting as well. Finishing texture, awesome. You also get Type-C charging, climate controls, fan. You can even move the seat to the front. You can even move the whole chair to the front. That's damn cool, man. That is so cool. Let's move to the back a little bit where it was. Now this is me sitting comfortably here. Didn't open up this door yet, but let's do that. Cool. Open up the doors and we are right here again. Let's fold this down to show you guys what's actually here. So you got compartment storage right here. You also get your cup holders to be located right there. So kind of cool. You can even lower down the headrest if you wish to. So let's get down. And again, your doors with the shade down. Again, same thing earlier here. Now let's look at the rear wheels, right? So these are also in the multi-spoke, like sort of like this gunmetal kind of finish. I like it a lot. Tire size, we have it in 235/50 R21. Lexus logo right here. Beautiful color, beautiful design. Matches well with the white and also other colors that they also have. Now let's check out the rear before we head to the driver's seat. You got your Lexus wording in chrome. You get your brake lights from left to right, how it connects later. I'll turn it on and show it to you. But your rear diffuser, you have it opening right here. You have it also opening right here as well. Now RX 350 all-wheel drive badging is on your right. Number plate is right here. Now let's open that up, the boot. Check out how the bumper has this grey finish, right? And also got this matte black finish. Love it. Now you can also fold down the rear seats from here. Left. Cool. So folds down, right? Press one time. On the other side, if I were to do them from here, it also works. So if I just press this, difference. There's a difference in that. So if I were to do this, so folds down completely. That's nice. Very slow, very sleek, and very nice. Now you can remove that railing if you wish to create more space so that you can keep more boxes for the back if you wish to. So very nice touch, very nice design. So let's close the rear. Check it out. Beautiful. Okay, so let's move to the driver's seat. Let's take a look. Now, main driver's seat, you got some texture finish over here, stitching over there. Nice design. So you got your window adjustments, child lock for the windows. Then also you got your lock unlock, side mirror adjustments over here, folding on the mirrors, compartment storage down here. Opening up the doors should be electronically buttoned. Speaker. Let's move the seat to the front. Check it out. Amazing. So Lexus plate over here. Pedals blacked out. Let's take a look. Driver's seat looks good. You get your negative shift here, you got your up shift here, you have your lighting adjustments over here. You also got your wipers on the left side, start stop button over here, head up display given over there, and also you get your fan adjustments together with the brightness of your screen, odometer trip, memory seats together with your petrol cap to open, and also the opening of the boot and closing. Storage over here to keep some stuff. Opening up of the front hood, which we will not do, but yeah, cool. Amazing like design. Sitting right here comfortably in this car. It's kind of cool. Amazing layout. I wonder how this car drives. Maybe some other time. But yeah, doors, lightings, frameless mirrors, super cool, man. Very nice. So yeah, let's now turn on the daytime running lights to show you guys what is actually being seen. Now, this is a beautiful sonic quartz exterior, right? So check it out, the daytime running lights, they blend in really well with the white. I love how this cut actually looks super angular, super sharp, very aggressive looking finish. Now let's take a look at the rear. Got this fading of the lights, dark, then it goes lighter and then brighter. So beautiful design for the back. Now let's turn on the headlights before we turn on the indicator, right? So these are with the front lights hopefully turned on. As you can see, they are right here, 3 dots at the top. You got another 3 dots over there at the top. So looks absolutely stunning, looks really, really fantastic. So turn on the turn indicators that we have, hazard lights I mean, sorry. Let's check it out from the front. You got some turn indicators right here. You also get them over here as well. So beautiful like finish and design, love it. Now let's move to the rear part of the car, where you will notice you got your turn indicators below on the left and the right. So stunning. So yeah, so that is it guys for today. If you'd like to find out more about Lexus cars, do head down to Subang Jaya and meet up with Nicole, and she'll be more than happy to assist you with any of the cars that we have on display right there and right there. Now there are many cars for you to choose from, different colors for you to see. Yeah, thank you guys for watching. See you in the next video.